So next is terylene. Terylene also is an example of a synthetic polymer formed via condensation reaction where water is being eliminated and polymer is being formed. Now, terylene is called a typical ester because polyester because it is contained with an ester linkage. An ester is an organic compound that is formed when you react an alcohol and a carboxylic acid to form a very sweet smelling compound called an ester. So esterification involves carboxylic acids and alcohol. When you react the two, you have an ester. Usually these esters, because they are sweet smelling, they are used in soap, they are used in lotion, they are used in perfumes. Okay, so in the chain of a polyester, you will be able to see an ester linkage, and this is an ester linkage here. So what are the monomers involved? There's a diol, yeah, and a dicarboxylic acid. Remember we said in esterification we use alcohol and carboxylic acid. Okay, so what are the functional groups of, or what is the functional group of an alcohol? OH is the functional group of an alcohol. This is the OH here. So usually they get a diol because a diol is OH or two OH groups. They make a diol. And dicarboxylic acids, two carboxyl groups make up a dicarboxylic acid. So when this one and this one reacts, we know that water is going to be eliminated and we are going to have a polyester, and this polyester in between the monomers, you'll be able to see an ester linkage, hence they are called polyesters. Okay, this is the ester linkage here. Also here I'll send you something to show where water is being eliminated, the actual reaction taking place. I'll show it to you. I'll just send something for you. And within the chain we have got a repeating unit. This is the repeating unit that you'll be able to see within the polymeric chain. Okay, so there are some exam questions that come. They ask you to write the repeating unit in the reaction of or in the formation of a polyester. So this is the repeating unit. Then we have uses of terylene. Usually terylene is used in making tents, sails, making clothing as well. Most clothes, they are terylene. Okay, then here we have got an exercise. Very simple. This is an exam paper question. This book, that's sometimes the ECZ use it as an exam preparation material, meaning they get some questions from this book. So it's a very interesting book. What are advantages of synthetic polymers? They are durable, they are non-corrosive, they are lighter than steel, they are thermal and electrical insulators like PVC, or not really PVC, propene. Propene is used as an insulator. They are not expensive and they are very flexible to use. One of the most uh, notable disadvantage is that they are non-biodegradable. They do not easily decompose. Actually, they do not even decompose. So because of that, they cause pollution. Okay. So some of these things they burn easily, and the gas that is released after burning is a very poisonous gas that can cause air pollution and also other types of pollution. So how can we preserve these polymers? We can do well to recycle them. We can do well to recycle them. And then under natural polymers, remember we talked about synthetic polymers and natural polymers. Synthetic polymers, we said they are man-made, they are man-made, yeah. Then the natural molecules or natural macromolecules, natural polymers, these occur in living organisms. You find them naturally occurring in living organisms. These, they are strictly made by condensation polymerization. And examples of these macromolecules are proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Proteins are polyamides, just like nylons. So when you master the structure of nylons, you are also mastering the structure of proteins. For fats, they are complex esters. They are made from fatty acids and glycerol. Meaning also when you master the structure of terylene, you are also mastering the structure of fats because the structure is very much similar. Okay, the only different structure is what that of carbohydrates, because these are formed from simple sugars like glucose as one of the most important sugar that is used